Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting a clear, contrasty portion of your clip because Premiere tracks distinct patterns best. Next, set up a timeline that matches your source. Mismatched frame rates cause drift. Once done, reduce playback strain by enabling proxies or lowering resolution in Program Monitor. Then, open the Effects panel and add the Track Matte or Transform effect. This gets you into the tracking workflow so you can define what Premiere should follow and why that choice speeds accuracy. You now create a mask around the object, tight but not clipping edges because the mask defines the tracking reference. Then pick a tracking mode. Position alone for simple pans, position and scale if the subject moves closer or farther. After that, press Analyze forward or backward. Premiere will compute motion keyframes automatically. Make sure to scrub and inspect every few frames. If the mask slips, pause and adjust a keyframe manually, since small corrections prevent big errors later in compositing. You finish by converting the tracked path into usable keyframes so graphics or effects follow precisely. Then smooth motion using temporal interpolation or the smooth keyframes command to avoid jitter. This is why you checked mask adherence earlier. Once satisfied, parent your graphic layer to the tracked clip and adjust the anchor point so placement looks natural. If you notice drift, retrack a problematic short range or insert manual keyframes. This targeted fix saves time and keeps your final render.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.